Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to record your call using this Nokia 110 feature phone. So before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So for call recording, first of all go to settings and go to call settings. Then as you can see, call recording options. Right now it is turn it off, then go to turn on, then make a call or receive a call. So I am receive a call from my another phone. Okay, hello, microphone testing. Hello, microphone testing. So as you can see, it notified call recording, save it. So for listening this recording, go to record list and collections, call recording, and as you can see, my last call recording. So that's it. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you next.